Hi everyone, how are you doing today? It's Cynthia Daddona from ModernDayGoddessWisdom.com. Just giving you some tips. I don't know about you, how you're dealing with all the news and the anxiety. It's good to be brief, but after maybe 20, 30 minutes, I find myself getting anxious, or if I think about loved ones that are living in other states or just what's going on with the world. But I have found that by breathing, taking deep breaths, deep breaths, it really works. Breathing deeply 10 times in through the nose and out through the nose can cut your cortisol level by 50%. So that really does work. The other thing I'm using is the Power of Protection Prayer. It was written by James Dillet Freeman in the 40s during World War II so that people could feel protected. It was also taken to the moon by Buzz Aldrin when he was on Apollo 11. So I'm going to share that with you. And you can also find the history and find it at unity.org. It goes like this. May the power of God surround you. Oops. May the light of God surround you. Okay, here's a little brevity. I've got it written right here. May the light of God surround you. May the love of God enfold you. May the power of God protect you. May the presence of God watch over you. Wherever we are, God is and all is well. And you can say it, may it protect you, may it protect us. Send it out to everyone, send it out to the healthcare workers, your loved ones, put it around your house. Say it when you first wake up in the morning around you, whoever's in your household. Say it for the town, the neighborhood, your dwelling, the country, the world, the planet. Say it for everyone. And it does really work. This is Cynthia Daddona sending you blessings and prayers. So stay safe, be well. Sending you my love.